Hello and welcome to part 24 of Programming for the Web. This is part of the configuring the environment, programming environment, and we're installing Git and setting up Git today. Okay, Git is very easy to set up and install. The Git website is git-scm.com. So clicking on that, it will automatically see that you're on Linux or Windows or a Mac, and by clicking on this you can install it. Now with Git, it's a very good idea to add the repository to install Git, and I would recommend that you do this. Okay, so we'll copy that, we'll paste it in, and we'll run it. Okay, so the most current stable, yes, click enter. So we've downloaded and installed that. Okay, so here we're now going to be installing Git because I asked it to do so. And this will take a moment while it does it, and you can see the progress. As I say, it doesn't take very long, and Git is basically a command line system, but there are a number of GUI of visual systems that you can use, the graphic user interface systems that you can use, some of which are free, some of which are not free. Once you've installed Git, you actually need to set up the system. So the first thing you have to do is tell it your username. Okay, so quite easy. You'll install a git config global your username, and you put it in like that. Okay, and next you also need to do the email. So you can enter your email address. So for example, if your email address is me@gmail.com, then would help if I put it in the right place. I do apologise. Then you would put your correct email address in here, and that's it. That's Git set up. That's all there is to it. Now, there are a number of, as I said, GUIs, graphic interfaces for Git. There's a lot of documentation on the Git site here. It includes a cheat sheet which will show you how to use things. Later on, once we actually get into programming, I'll show you how to use Git, how to set it up, how to create a repository and that type of thing, how to connect onto the internet and save information to GitHub and the like. But until now, all we needed to do was install Git, and now it's installed, we can go on and do the next part. Thank you for watching. My name's John, and I'll see you next time.